from justtoday.com. And today,
we're going to be expanding your mind on how to make this iconic Dodgers Pina Colada.
But hey, disclaimer, this recipe video contains alcohol. Yeah, and so in order for you to consume alcohol here in the United States, you have to be over 21. And so that being said, please drink responsibly. And so let's hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell. And since you're right there, hit the share and the like button. Why not? First things first, we want to give you a little backstory on the Dodgers Pina Colada. Now, here at Just Date, as a family, we like to go to Dodger Stadium Way to watch baseball game. Now, we're obviously a Dodger fan, and we like to go to a Dodger game 1 to 2 times a year with the whole family, if we can. And since this is the year 2020, we're just really missing some baseball, if you know what I mean. And so one year we were able to vlog everything, especially when we visited the all-you-can-eat section called the Pavilions. Now, if you're curious to see that vlog video, go ahead and check out the link in the description down below, or the video is in the iCard in the corner of the screen. Now, what's even cool is one year we were able to get together with a Spanish-speaking announcer named Jaime Harin, who's been part of the Dodgers team since 1959 until present. What's even really cool is he's worked alongside Vin Scully. And what's really cool is that he was able to give us a signature and a photo. Neat, eh? Have been missing the Dodgers in action, as well as stadium foods and drinks, and so this is why I'm bringing the Pina Colada recipe to everyone so that everyone can enjoy a little bit of Dodgers in their own home. I know I miss their Pina Colada as well as their Dodgers Margarita. That video will be coming soon, so definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever we upload the Dodgers Margarita recipe. But that being said, I think I gave enough backstory here, so let's dive into the Pina Colada recipe. So first, I'm draining the juice from this pineapple chunks can, and I'm only going to be using 3 ounces of it because I'm only making a single cup of the pineapple Pina Colada. 3 ounces of the cream of coconut, which is 90 milliliters, into the cup. Would like to say thank you so much to Gunther Wheeler and Karen Smith for sending us the ingredients to make this amazing Dodger Stadium Pina Colada. Really appreciate those that actually do send us things in the mail. Thank you so much. 2 ounces of rum. 1 cup of frozen pineapples. Put a lid on it, blend it. Put it in a nice cup, like a Dodgers cup, because you know, you special. And to be extra special, put in a filthy cherry. Yeah. Real quick, are you liking this kind of content? Definitely hit the red subscribe button and the bell, so that tells me that you like this video. And so, that's how you make the Dodgers iconic Pina Colada. Comment down below to let me know if you've ever tried the Pina Colada at Dodger Stadium. This was a hashtag collaboration video with hashtag drink tips with some of my YouTube friends. And so definitely check out their links in the description down below or their videos in the iCard in the corner of the screen. It's with Chef Jason at Chef Adventures, Ryan from Ryan's GS Barbecue and Stuff, Chef Shawnee from Cook Classy, and Robbie from Robbie2 Vlogs.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aiders.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video. The Dodger Blue Margarita will be coming soon.